In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a message of an installation error 0x80073cfa removal failed on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. This message pops up when you try to uninstall a program, and it says we could not uninstall this program. The operation did not complete successfully. The package removed failed. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu. Just go ahead, click on search, and then just type in WS Reset. As you can see, now go ahead, click on Open, and the Windows Store will reset by itself. And now just go ahead and choose the program you want to uninstall and see if it works. Now, if this doesn't work, you can just go ahead to the next step, go to the search menu, and then just type in CMD, which is command prompt, and then run as administrator. After that, the command prompt window will open up for you, and when you get this window opened up, just go ahead and type in this command, which is sfc// and after that, just type in scan now, and scan now must be written in one word. As you can see, then hit enter and the system scan will begin. Just give it a couple of minutes to take action, and I will speed up this footage just so you can see. And after the scan took action, this message will pop up for you. If you have no issues in your computer, and if you have issues, another message will pop up for you saying that the scan took action and they found an issue on your PC. So this was a quick and easy process. So this was how to fix an installation error message. As always, thank you for watching.